A rapidly spreading wildfire in Pacific Palisades, Los Angeles, has led to the evacuation of approximately 30,000 residents. Fueled by strong Santa Ana winds, the fire has consumed over 1,200 acres, threatening thousands of structures and causing significant disruptions. Emergency services are actively combating the blaze under challenging conditions. Key takeaways: mass evacuations. Around 30,000 residents have been ordered to evacuate as the wildfire engulfs the affluent Pacific Palisades area. Rooters. Rapid fire spread. The fire has quickly expanded to over 1,200 acres, endangering more than 13,000 structures, including notable landmarks like the Getty Villa Museum. The Times' severe wind conditions, driven by powerful Santa Ana winds, with gusts up to 100 miles per hour, the situation poses significant challenges for firefighting efforts and has led to widespread power outages. Wikipedia, Pacific Palisades, wildfire forces mass evacuations.